Today we have the 2021 Ford Mustang. This vehicle has done just under 71,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our apps, which includes charging and Apple and Android CarPlay, as well as entertainment. Next, we have our vehicle functions. This includes our controls, driver assistance, and connectivity. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our climate control with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.